Hi, welcome to Lionheart LLC. My name is Rich Ang, and we're going to continue our series in emergency preparation here. This is part of holistic martial arts, is to be prepared for every contingency. We've talked about self-defense before. Let's talk about it from another angle, in terms of survival. Someday there could be a disaster, whether it be natural or man-made, that takes out the water supply. In this case, you have to be prepared. And one way to be prepared is to make sure that you test your water. So what we did is we took a look at one possible test kit. It's called the Water Safe Drinking Water Test. It gives you results on the spot. Now this video is a live video. There's been no scripted response, no testing whatsoever. We haven't even opened this yet. We're going to see if it really lives up to its claim of being, very fast and giving you results on the spot. So I have here my lovely assistant Lena and Josiah and Andrew, all employees here of their respective company. Let's take a look and see what this does. So I'm going to open this up. Actually, I'm going to ask Josiah if he can just open this and pull out the contents. And we'll see what we can get. So, all right. So we open it up.
Something dropped on the floor.
I'm going to pick that up and let's take a look and see what we have here. Looks like we have some directions right here. If you can see that, pass that around. Looks like we have a test. Looks like it's testing for pesticide and with lead. Don't know what this is yet, but we'll figure it out as we go. And some test strips. This says nitrite and nitrate, and this says pH. Okay. So if I read the front part, it looks like we're going to be testing for lead, chlorine, nitrates and nitrites, E. coli. Ooh, definitely don't want E. coli in the water. It can kill you. Pesticides, hardness, and pH, which is a measure of acidity or alkalinity
Well, lead.
in a water sample. All right, let's see what the directions say here, okay? So, it says keep tests out of reach of children and pets. I think we just violated that one, but who cares? Do not ingest anything from this kit. Do not drink the water sample used for testing. Store and use at room temperature. Andrew, are we at room temperature right now?
Yep.
Okay, sounds good. Do not open packets or vial until you're ready to test. Read and follow all directions carefully. That is exactly the point of this video. So the first test is the bacteria test. Okay, Josiah, would you take out the bacteria test vial and set it upright on a flat surface? So this here. Okay. Collect water sample or turn on tap to a very slow stream. Let's see if we can do that.
There we go.
Okay, let's see if it's coming off here.
Yeah, I can turn
She's turned on. You can keep videotaping Josiah as he takes this apart. Okay, very good. All right. Lena, would you read the next direction there, what we do with this bacteria vial?
collect water sample or turn on tap, which I just did. Carefully twist off cap and fill the vial to ½ inch below the top to the 5 milliliter line. Do not overfill and do not spill the bacteria growth powder in the vial.
Okay. And do you see the
Yep, I see the
5 milliliter line? Let's twist off the cap, and then I want you to fill it to the 5 milliliter line, okay? Careful, do not spill.
I just collected some. So
No. Just put it in. It's easier to just put it.
I know, but he might overfill it.
No, just be careful. It's very small.
It's hard. It comes out fast. I'm just saying.
Well, you're not going to be able to dump it on.
Here, wait.
Okay, you do it however you want. You keep taping them.
Okay, see? Oops. It comes out too fast. It's overfilled. That's what I said. I'd rather it not go right directly from the tap. Okay. Sorry.
Okay, well, that screwed it up. So stupid design. We'll have to tell Amazon in our review that it was bad. So, well, we messed that one up, but that's okay. If there was bacteria, there'll be no more videos because we'll all be dead. So let's pretend that we got it right. Shake it up.
20 seconds.
Can you shake this for 20 seconds, please?
Okay. Then, yeah, keep going.
Maybe we should have scripted this video. What do you think? Should we have scripted this? Okay.
Sorry, Andrew, it's not your fault. I just knew that it was going to be a lot. It would fill up very fast, quickly.
Thank you.
19 and 20. Okay. Good. What's the next part of the
Place
test?
the capped vial upright in a warm area, 70 to 90 degrees, where it cannot be disturbed for 48 hours.
Okay. Let's put it over there where it can't be disturbed, and we'll leave it there for 48 hours. Put it all along the side, right next to the oven. No, right over there. There we go. All right. That won't be disturbed. All right, so we'll come back to that 48 hours. What's the
After
next
48
test?
hours, observe the color of the liquid without opening the vial. If it's purple color, it's a negative result. No bacteria was detected. Yellow color, it's highly likely that potential harmful bacteria were detected.
Okay, let's go to the next test then. We'll have to wait for 48 hours there.
Okay. The next is the lead pesticide test instructions. The water-safe lead test can detect dissolved lead at levels below the EPA action level of 15 parts per billion. The water-safe pesticide test detects two of the most common pesticides used in the U.S. or below the EPA maximum contaminant level. Atrazine, which is 3 ppb, or also it tests simazine. Open the lead pesticide packet and take out all the contents. The packet contains a test vial, a test vial, a dropper pipette, 2 water-safe test strips, and a desiccant to be discarded.
Okay, here we go.
Using the dropper, place exactly 2 dropperfuls
Here's the
of water
desiccant.
samples into the test vial. Okay, so just fill, here's the sample
Okay,
water.
would you squeeze this and fill, how many drops go in here?
2.
Exactly 2 dropperfuls of water sample.
2 dropperfuls. Okay, so fill it all the way up. Now
To
let
pick
go.
up the sample, tightly squeeze the bulb at the end of the dropper and place the open end into the water sample. Release the bulb to pick up the sample, then squeeze again to expel the sample into the vial.
Do we squeeze it? There we go. There. Okay, because that's 1. So 2 whole samplefuls, right?
2 full ones.
There's 1. There's 2. Okay, now what?
Swirl the vial gently for several seconds, placed on a flat surface. Place both test strips into the test vial with arrows pointing down.
So do we have to peel anything or no?
No. Well, let's see.
Oh, I guess we don't. We'll just put it in like this. Then we'll follow the directions.
Place both test strips into the test vial with the arrows pointing down. Wait 10 minutes. Do not disturb strips or vial during this time.
We'll let it sit there. We'll wait 10 minutes.
Yep, blue lines will appear on the strips. Take the strips out of the vial and lay them on a flat surface with the arrows pointing to the left, and then read the results.
Okay, press stop.
Right here.
Yep.